Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to track your device or how to turn on Find My Device on Windows 10 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on Track Your Device or Find Your Device on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings icon. Now click on Update and Security. Here in left pane you will Find My Device. Click on it. Find My Device is turned off. Just click on Change icon here. Save my device's location periodically. Now turn it off. Click here to turn it on. Find My Device is turned on. Here another message. Your device location setting is turned off, so tracking this device would not work. So you have to turn on location settings. Just click here to turn on the location settings. The location for this device is turned off. Just click on change icon here and click here to turn it on. Now location service is also turned on. I'm going to back. Tracking service is enabled and Find My Device is turned on. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.